Here I got the outlet timer from ENERLITES, and in this video I'm going to do a quick demo on how to use this and install it. So hopefully I can answer any questions for you, like how do you program times, or simply just how do you plug this in so you know exactly what to expect when you proctorize. But here's going to be what the outlet timer looks like. Nicely labeled here, all the times you can select. But I'm going to turn the camera around, face the outlet, and show you how to use this. Okay, now how to use this, it could not be easier. So here's going to be all of your buttons where you select the time. And what's cool about this is you can actually program it to come out at the same time every day and run for a certain amount of time. All you need to do is press that repeat button, and whatever time you press that at, so let's say you press it at 4 o'clock in the afternoon for 4 hours, it will then run at 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. every single day. So what we got to do here is just plug it in, get it into the wall outlet. Leaves the bottom one open, which is super nice. We'll turn it on. We'll select 4 hours, and let's say repeat. So obviously this would work great for Christmas lights. So once you hit the repeat button, maybe at 4 p.m. for 4 hours, that means your Christmas lights are going to run from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. every single night. Turn off, and then repeat the next day as you hit that repeat button. So overall, this is super easy to use. Does its job exactly as it should. I give it 2 thumbs up.